Hello all, and here I am with another vlog. I am looking mildly windswept today. It wasn't long ago when I went out and it was a little bit breezy, so forgive my tardiness. So I am working on a video for the cruise ship that we are going on in September. The ship that we are going on is a P&O cruise ship called the Iona. I have also done Independence of the Seas and Emerald Princess, which was my very first cruise ship. These are the two cruises that I have been on, and adding Iona as a third. Of course, my other half has been on lots of cruises throughout his life, so he's got quite a good knowledge, experience about cruise ships. So this video that I wanted to do was sort of a packing video. So without further ado, let's get right on it. So just in a nutshell regarding the things that I'm looking to pack for the cruise is over there I have laid out some caftans and like a white, sort of like a throw over shawl, whatever you want to call it, for lounging by the pool or even probably just walking around the ship on. Over there is my gym wear. I am missing a couple bits, so I need to hunt those down and get those in the wash, but those will be the gym wear for when we're using the gym on the ship as well. All this is going to be like evening wear choices, but I'm still going out shopping to see if there's anything else I can find, which I think would be really nice to go with. I always wear this top with a white vest underneath because it reveals a bit too much more than I'd like to admit. So that'll have like a white cami underneath just to cover those little areas. And then this is just going to be like my everyday shorts, wear, stuff like that for walking around the ship and that. I'll also be having some jeans on the pile as well, a couple pair of jeans, because obviously I've got to travel as well. So that's what these are going to be. And then I have 4 lovely swimming costumes, which I'm not a fan, as I've said in the last video, of costumes with plunge, like a plunge cups inside of them. So I have got 2 costumes which just cover across the top of my chest as opposed to these ones. But I will try and brave wearing them. I think because I've got, because I'm so self-conscious about being a bigger person, that I feel like people don't want to see my cleavage or anything like that, so I do get quite self-conscious in that respect. So this is a scarf I bought when I was in Hawkshead the other week. It's a it's more for like just to keep the chill off the shoulders on casual nights and so on and so forth, when we might be eating in the dining room, might be a touch chilly, because I do feel the cold more than most people normally do. And it's a really pretty scarf as well, so I will be looking forward to having that on the casual nights. And today I'm only on an 8-2, and tomorrow we are driving to Southampton to board the Iona on the 11th of September. I had my hair done last Saturday. As you can tell, it's quite vibrant and red. When it catches the sun, it goes really, really red. That was done at the hairdresser's because I felt it would be a good idea if she did my hair this time instead of doing it at home. So I am on an 8-2 shift today. Then I have to go home and finish off the packing, getting bits finished around the house. So I've got a short list of jobs, but they're big jobs. They're not even small ones. So today is going to be a busy day. So I have just got off the bus and making my way to work now, and roll on 2 o'clock when I'll be free as a bird for a week and 2 days. I actually try and have to hunt down a washing line pole today because ours is broken and I can't hang the bedding up. So instead of going straight home today, I have to go into Lytham and hope that I can find one. So my 8-2 was done, but I only just got home. I couldn't vlog after I finished work. The bus was heaving with like mostly school kids and stuff finishing school for the day. So I thought I'll wait until I get home before I carried on. So now the real work begins. I now have to clean this house from top to bottom before the end of tonight, because tomorrow we are travelling down to Southampton. So it's travel day down to Southampton and we are all packed and ready to go. The cats are ready, my neighbour's taking care of them, and it's time to leave the house. So we are now at Warwick service station and we only have a couple of hours to go before we reach Southampton. Carl had a problem with the car. He has electronic handbrake and the cover on it has come away. The handbrake's fine, but it's going to cost more money because he has to replace the whole assembly, not just something where you can pop a cover back on the top of it. So because we are in Southampton and the dealer has a backlog of a week to order a part, we'll be home by then, so he's getting in touch with the dealership back at home and get booked in for when we are home from holiday. So as soon as that's done, we'll be back on the road and our next stop will hopefully be Southampton. We've stretched our legs, we've been to the toilet, and that'll be it. We'll be there soon. So we made it to Southampton. I also unexpectedly got my nails done today in a nice pearly finish, ready for the holiday, and they are my own nails. I grew them out myself and they look fabulous. One really sad thing that I've noticed is something I don't really see back up north, but I kid you not, there is a cleaning machine that a person would normally sit in moving around on its own. I genuinely don't think I've ever encountered one of those at home. So yeah, I didn't think they could be operated on their own. We have had such a long and busy day and we're just going to crash early in the hotel room and watch some telly. So we are just having breakfast in the hotel restaurant. Dying for a shower, but to have my hair washed, but I realise I have red hair and forgot my towel, so before I can even consider washing this messy mop on my head, I'm going to have to go to a shop and pick up a towel of some description so the colour runs is not on the hotel towels. I managed to get the hair towel, so now I'm really looking forward to washing my hair so it looks better than that, because that is gross. But the last time I stayed in a Premier Inn, when we was in London, and I washed my hair because I dyed it turned a bit orange. So I'm hoping they don't use anything in their water that risks bleaching my hair, otherwise I'd be very, very sad. So I am absolutely sweating. It's so warm out there, even though the weather is like wanting to rain all the time. So I've got my bath towel and I'm going to go have a nice hot shower because I think I've bloody earned it. It is Saturday, which means that 3:30 today we'll be getting our COVID tests and we will be boarding Iona. Iona came in first thing this morning, but you can't see it from the room we were in the hotel, sadly. So it's literally just going to be seeing her when we get there. It's all getting very exciting and I'm actually getting quite restless for this. We have unloaded the car, abandoned the car, and we're heading into the terminal to see our ship. We are now boarding Iona.
Yes, it's done. Thank you very much. Oh, that's a nice place.
So we are now in our cabin and it looks fan-dabby-dozy, it really does. So we walked in, it is so pristine and tidy, I absolutely love it. I mean, look, you can tell it's such a brand new ship. Such pristine condition. So this is the main area, and a settee, our bed, some pretty mirrors up there, and it's a balcony cabin. Big TV, etc. We have our wardrobes and obviously life jackets at the top with our muster station letter on. And it's a bit awkward because that's the space you have between the wardrobe doors and the bed. We have some shelving here also, and we have a safe and another sort of wardrobe type area as well. And the bathroom looks amazing. It's just wowzers. Beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I really can't wait to start exploring the ship properly as well. Now it is time to unpack just before the muster sound alarm thing goes off. So tonight we ate in the main dining room and it was beautiful food, you couldn't beat it. We're not really going to explore the ship tonight. We're probably going to have a proper look round tomorrow and get some videos, and I'm going to put that into a separate vlog. This is more like a travel day and settling in on the ship. So if you enjoyed my videos, then please hit subscribe, tap on the bell, and you'll see more videos of the Iona while we are here. And I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and good night.